one goes out to a special lady. Island vibes worldwide. The first time I saw you walking by, sunlight dancing in your eyes, a natural glow that lights the day. You took my breath away. The rhythm played and the crowd moved slow, but all I could see was your beautiful soul, like a melody floating through the air, a magic that was everywhere. Every smile makes the whole world shine. Every moment makes me realize some people come and change your life, and you're that light in mine. Island girl, you're my sunshine, brightening every day and night. Like the stars above the sea, you bring out the best in me. Island girl, don't you know, you're the reason my heart glows. Every beat of this melody brings you closer to me. The bassline rolls like the ocean waves, carrying dreams that our hearts create. Afrobeat drums and the soulful groove got me falling deeper for you. From the city lights to the sandy shore, every day makes me love you more. No matter where the road may lead, you're everything I need. Every smile makes the whole world shine. Every moment makes me realize some people come and change your life, and you're that light in mine. Island girl, you're my sunshine, brightening every day and night. Like the stars above the sea, you bring out the best in me. Island girl, don't you know, you're the reason my heart glows. Every beat of this melody brings you closer to me. No diamonds, no riches could compare to the way you love and the way you care. Every laugh, every touch, every little thing makes my heart wanna sing. We'll dance beneath the moonlit sky with reggae rhythms carrying us high. A love so simple, pure and true. Every dream begins with you. Let the music play. Let's dance the night away under the tropical sky, you and I. Island girl, you're my sunshine, brightening every day and night. Like the stars above the sea, you bring out the best in me. Island girl, don't you know, you're the reason my heart glows. Every beat of this melody brings you closer to me. Oh yeah, the waves rolling, the stars shine bright, holding your hand through the night. One love, one dream, one melody. Island girl, you're everything to me. Yeah, late night conversations, heart to heart situations. Listen up. Sometimes love needs honesty, more than excuses and apologies. I was caught up in the fast lane life, chasing every moment under neon lights. Never stopped to see what mattered most, till I felt your distance growing close.
I could see the change inside your eyes, questions hidden behind every smile. Love was standing at the crossroads then, waiting for the truth to speak again.
No more running from the things we've done,
No more hiding from what we become.
if we're gonna build something that lasts.
We gotta leave the shadows in the past.
Tell me the truth,
Tonight,
let's bring everything into the light.
no more secrets, no more disguise.
Just two hearts trying to make it right.
Tell me the truth tonight.
Under the stars and the moon so bright,
Love goes stronger when honesty leads.
that's all we really need. The bassline rolls and the memories play, thinking about every word I didn't say. Every lesson came with a price to pay, but I'm wiser than I was yesterday.
Love isn't perfect, nobody is, but real connection starts with this. A conversation from soul to soul, finding the pieces that make us whole.
No more running from the things we've done,
no more hiding from what we've become.
If we're gonna build something that lasts,
we gotta leave the shadows in the past. Tell me the truth tonight.
Let's bring everything into the light.
No more secrets, no more disguise.
Just two hearts trying to make it right.
Tell me the truth tonight.
Under the stars and the moon so bright,
love grows stronger when honesty leads.
that's all we really need. Listen up, life moves fast and time don't wait. Every choice we make can change our fate. Better just stand with an open heart than let misunderstanding pull us apart. Good energy, good love, good intention, that's the foundation of every connection. From the islands to the worldwide scene, respect and honesty, keep love supreme.
Oh,
can we start again?
oh,
Let the healing begin.
one conversation can change the night. One honest word can make things right. Tell me the truth tonight.
Let's bring everything into the light.
No more secrets, no more disguise.
Just two hearts trying to make it right.
Tell me the truth tonight.
Under the stars and the moon so bright,
Love grows stronger when honesty leads.
that's all we really need. The real, keep it true.
Love,
Love shines brightest
when the truth comes through. One love, one heart, one melody, moving together in harmony.
Yeah, yeah. From the streets to the skyline, from the struggle to the sunshine, rise up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Hey. Hey. Morning comes with a story to tell. Some are thriving while some know hardship well. Dreams are growing in the heart of the town, even when the pressure tries to hold us down. People hustle from dawn to night, searching for a chance, searching for a light. Through every challenge they refuse to break, building our future with every step they take. The road gets rough but we keep moving on, holding the faith until a brighter dawn. The spirit inside is stronger than fear, and the message is becoming clear. Rise through the fire, stand up tall. When life gets heavy, don't fall at all. Let the rhythm carry your soul higher. Keep your dreams alive and rise through the fire. Rise through the fire, let your voice be heard. Every action stronger than every word. With love and courage as your desire, we'll find our way and rise through the fire. Yeah. And rise through the fire. Yeah. Heavy bassline rolling through the streets, Afrobeat drums and a conscious beat. Young hearts searching for a better day, turning their visions into realities away. The city lights shine against the night, stories of hope hidden in plain sight. Every corner has a lesson to share, a reminder that opportunity is there. The road gets rough but we keep moving on, holding the faith until a brighter dawn. The spirit inside is stronger than fear, and the message is becoming clear. Rise through the fire, stand up tall. When life gets heavy, don't fall at all. Let the rhythm carry your soul higher. Keep your dreams alive and rise through the fire. Rise through the fire, let your voice be heard. Every action stronger than every word. With love and courage as your desire, we'll find our way and rise through the fire. Rise through the fire. Yeah. Listen now, every generation got a choice to make. Build bridges of hope or repeat mistakes. Stand for the truth, let your conscience lead. Plant good intentions like a positive seed. From the islands to the worldwide stage, unity is stronger than division and rage. One heartbeat, one vision, one aim. Respect for each other is the name of the game. Keep your head up high, reach beyond the sky. Let the music inspire. Everybody rise through the fire. Rise through the fire. Stand up tall. When life gets heavy, don't fall at all. Let the rhythm carry your soul higher. Keep your dreams alive. Rise through the fire. Rise through the fire. Let your voice be heard. Every action stronger than every word. With love and courage as your desire, we'll find our way and rise through the fire. Rise through the fire. The journey continues. One love, one purpose. Rise through the fire. Yeah. Ooh, baby. Island breeze, city lights. Let's ride this feeling all night long. You stepped into the room and changed the mood, moving so smooth with that confident groove. The music was loud, but I heard you smile, and I've been caught in it for a while. The bassline rose like waves on the shore, pulling me closer, wanting more. No need for words when the vibe is this strong. We're writing our story in a song. Every glance feels like electricity, a spark that turns into a melody. The way you move keeps drawing me near, like you're the only one here. Let's stay together all night long, moving to the rhythm till the break of dawn. Your love and the music got me feeling so free, like this moment was made for you and me. All night long under the moonlight glow, lost in the feeling we don't wanna let go. The world fades away when you're in my arms, and everything feels right. All night long, hey, hey. All night long, yeah, yeah, yeah. The dance floor shines beneath our feet, two hearts moving to the same beat. Afrobeat drums and the reggae bass line, bringing our spirits perfectly in line. Every laugh, every touch, every little sign makes me grateful that you're mine. The night keeps flowing like a river so wide, and I just want you by my side. Every glance feels like electricity, a spark that turns into a melody. The way you move keeps drawing me near, like you're the only one here. Let's stay together all night long, moving to the rhythm till the break of dawn. Your love and the music got me feeling so free, like this moment was made for you and me. All night long under the moonlight glow, lost in the feeling we don't wanna let go. The world fades away when you're in my arms, and everything feels right. All night, no pressure, no worries, just good energy, a beautiful connection and natural chemistry. The stars above seem to dance along as the night keeps singing our song. From the islands to the city streets, love and rhythm where they meet. Every heartbeat, every vibration feels like a sweet celebration. Don't stop now, we're floating higher than the clouds. Let the feeling lead, you're everything I need. Let's stay together all night long, moving to the rhythm till the break of dawn. Your love and the music got me feeling so crossed paths. A simple conversation turned into laughs. Now every day feels brighter than before. You become everything I'm searching for. Your kindness shines like the morning sun. A beautiful soul, a special one. Every dream I have somehow includes you. A picture painted in perfect hues. Whenever you're near, my worries disappear. Your voice is the melody I always wanna hear. Like a lighthouse shining through the sea. You guide my heart so naturally. You're the blessing of my life, the reason every day feels right. Like a star that lights the sky, you lift my spirit high. The blessing of my life, can't you see? You're the sweetest part of my destiny. Hand in hand we'll keep moving on, together where we belong. The rhythm plays and the night unfolds, a story of love that's worth more than gold. Every little moment, every little smile makes every journey worthwhile. The bassline rolls beneath our feet, two hearts moving to the same beat. Through every season, come what may, I'll choose you every day. Whenever you're near, my worries disappear. Your voice is the melody I always wanna hear. Like a lighthouse shining through the sea, you guide my heart so naturally. You're the blessing of my life, the reason every day feels right. Like a star that lights the sky, you lift my spirit high. The blessing of my life, can't you see? You're the sweetest part of my destiny. Hand in hand we'll keep moving on, together where we belong. No matter where the road may be, you'll always be my closest friend. The love we share keeps growing strong, a place where both our hearts belong. Under the moon, under the sun, every chapter has just begun. The future shines so bright and clear, as long as you're here. Oh, let the music play, we'll dance our worries all away. With every step and every song, we know this love is strong. You're the blessing of my life, the reason every day feels right. Like a star that lights the sky, you lift my spirit high. The blessing of my life, can't you see? You're the sweetest part of my destiny. Hand in hand we'll keep moving on, together where we belong. Oh, 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 the night feels right, holding you beneath the city lights. One heart, one dream, one beautiful view. The blessing of my life is you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Island breeze, feel the energy rise. Tonight we're shining underneath the tropical sky. The music drops and the whole place moves. Your smile got me caught in a sweet groove. Moonlight dancing across your face. Everybody watching but we in our own space. The bass rolls deep like the ocean tide. Every little step got me right by your side. No rush, no pressure, just feel the vibe. Let the rhythm guide us through the night. When you move, the world slows down, like we're floating high above the crowd. Every heartbeat matches the drum. A perfect moment has begun. You're burning bright like a fire in the night, lighting up my soul with your love so right. Round and round we sway beneath the stars above, caught in the rhythm of a beautiful love. Burning bright, shining strong, with you beside me I know where I belong. Feel the energy, let the feeling take flight. We're blowing together, burning bright. The DJ spins and the speakers sing. You bring a joy that means everything. Sweet melody mixed with island sound, lifting our spirits higher off the ground. From the city lights to the sandy shore, every moment makes me want you more. The night feels young and the future clear. Nothing else matters while you're here. When you move, the world slows down, like we're floating high above the crowd. Every heartbeat matches the drum. A perfect moment has begun. You're burning bright like a fire in the night, lighting up my soul with your love so right. Round and round we sway beneath the stars above, caught in the rhythm of a beautiful love. Burning bright, shining strong. With you beside me, I know where I belong. Feel the energy, let the feeling take flight. We're glowing together, burning bright. Hands up, celebrate the life we share. Good vibrations floating through the air. No worries, no fear, leave them behind. Tonight we're free in body and mind. The groove keeps rolling, the feeling won't fade. Memories forming with every move we make. Your eyes tell a story, words can't explain. The sunshine feeling running through my veins. You're burning bright, like a fire in the night, lighting up my soul with your love so right. Round and round we sway beneath the stars above, caught in the rhythm of a beautiful love. Burning bright, shining strong. With you beside me, I know where I belong. Feel the energy, let the feeling take flight. Glowing together, burning bright. Island breeze in the sky so wide. Holding your hand as the waves collide. The music fades, but the feeling remains. Burning bright through the night again. Oh yeah, island breeze, sunshine glow. This feeling keeps on growing. Oh. When the world gets heavy on my shoulders and the road ahead feels a little colder, yeah, you bring a light that helps me see a brighter version of me. Yeah. Every morning starts with your smile, making every struggle feel worthwhile. Yeah. You lift me up without even trying, like a melody that's always inspiring. Whenever the rain clouds fill the sky, you're the reason I keep reaching high. With your love I know I'll find my way, no matter what tomorrow may say. You're right here by my side, like the rhythm of the ocean tide, steady as the sunrise in the morning light. You make everything feel right by my side, through it all, through every rise and every fall. With your love I can touch the sky, as long as you're by my side. By my side. Oh. The bass line rolls and the speakers play, but your voice is my favorite sound every day. A little laughter, a little dancing too. Every moment feels brand new, from the city lights to the sandy shore. You give me reasons to dream even more. Every step feels easier to take, knowing you're here through every break. Oh, whenever the rain clouds fill the sky, you're the reason I keep reaching high. With your love I know I'll find my way, no matter what tomorrow may say. You're right here by my side, yeah, like the rhythm of the ocean tide, steady as the sunrise in the morning light. You make everything feel right by my side, through it all, through every rise and every fall. With your love I can touch the sky, as long as you're by my side. As long as you're by my side. Oh, oh, we don't need riches, we don't need fame, just a little love to light the flame. Holding on through every season, you're my heart and my reason. Afrobeat drums and reggae groove, every beat makes our spirits move. Tonight we're dancing under the stars, celebrating exactly who we are. Sunset falling on the shoreline slow, golden light dancing where the palm trees grow. You walk beside me, everything feels right, like the stars already know this night. Warm breeze carrying your sweet perfume, turning every shadow into flowers in bloom. No need for promises written in the sand. Your smile says more than words ever can. Every heartbeat moves with the tide, every moment pulls me to your side. When you're near, the whole world shines like destiny drew our lines. Come a little closer tonight, let the moonlight guide us right. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire, you're the answer to my desire. Closer tonight, don't let go, moving together nice and slow. Love like this is hard to find, you and me, one heart, one mind. Far away, nothing but the music and the words we say. Your laughter floating like a melody, a perfect harmony surrounding me. Every step follows the reggae groove, bassline deep, making our spirits move. From Kingston streets to a worldwide sound, your love lifts me off the ground. Every heartbeat moves with the tide, every moment pulls me to your side. When you're near, the whole world shines like destiny drew our lines. Come a little closer tonight, let the moonlight guide us right. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire, you're the answer to my desire. Closer tonight, don't let go, moving together nice and slow. Love like this is hard to find, you and me, one heart, one mind. Girl, you bring a light that never fades away, turning every dark cloud into brighter days. No matter where we go, no matter where we roam, your love is the feeling that always feels like home. From the islands to the cities worldwide, we keep the positive energy alive. Hand in hand, heart to heart, side by side, riding this beautiful wave tonight. Yeah. Come a little closer tonight, let the moonlight guide us right. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire, you're the answer to my desire. Closer tonight, don't let go, moving together nice and slow. Love like this is hard to find, you and me, one heart, one mind. The bassline plays, the night goes on, holding your hand until the break of dawn. One sweet memory, one endless view. Tonight belongs to me and you. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes love feels so sweet, sometimes it keeps you up all night. Yeah. Ooh. I never planned on falling this deep. Now you're the last thought before I sleep. Every word you say stays on my mind, like a melody I can't leave behind. The moon is high and the city glows, but where your heart is nobody knows. One day you're close, the next you're gone, still I keep holding on. Why does it feel so right and wrong? Why does this feeling stay so strong? Every time I try to walk away, you pull me back again. My heart's in the fire, burning for you, caught in a feeling I can't break through. The heat of your love keeps calling my name, and nothing feels the same. My heart's in the fire, light in the night, holding on tight when I should let go sometimes. But every spark keeps bringing me higher. My heart's in the fire. My heart's in the fire. The bassline rolls like the waves at sea, carrying memories back to me. Every promise hanging in the air, a reminder that you were there. The rhythm moves and the crowd sways slow, but you're the only one I want to This flame refuses to die. My heart's in the fire, burning for you, caught in a feeling I can't break through. The heat of your love keeps calling my name, and nothing feels the same. My heart's in the fire, light in the night, holding on tight when I should let go sometimes. But every spark keeps bringing me higher. My heart's in the fire. The night keeps turning, the flame stays bright. Through every shadow and every light, one thing remains true. My heart's in the fire for you. Can you feel the sunshine today?
Ooh, yeah. Good vibes and good love all around.
Let's celebrate life together. Yeah. Woke up this morning with a smile on my face, feeling grateful for the love and the grace. The world keeps turning, but I'm feeling alright. Got your hand in mine and the future looks bright.
The birds keep singing and the skies are blue. Every little moment feels better with you. The rhythm of the day has a beautiful flow, and everywhere we go our happiness shows.
When the music starts playing, I can't stand still.
Your energy lifts me higher than any hill.
Together we shine like the stars above,
Dancing in the power of love.
hey there my love,
Come dance with me.
move to the rhythm and feel so free.
From the sunrise glow to the moon above.
Every day's better with your love.
Hey there my love, sing along.
Turn every moment into a song.
With your heart next to mine, I know there's no place I'd rather go. Heavy bassline rolling under our feet, Afrobeat drums making the vibe complete. Every smile shared is a memory made, a beautiful picture that will never fade.
Through every season and every road, you're the light that helps me carry the load. No matter where life may take us to,
I'll always be thankful for you.
when the music starts playing, I can't stand still.
Your energy lifts me higher than any hill.
Together we shine like the stars above,
Dancing in the power of love. Hey there, my love, come dance with me.
move to the rhythm and feel so free.
From the sunrise glow to the moon above.
Every day's better with your love.
Hey there, my love, sing along.
Turn every moment into a song.
With your heart next to mine, I know there's no place I'd rather go.
No need for riches,
No need for fame.
as long as we're together.
Life won't be the same.
We'll keep moving forward one step at a time.
Keeping our hearts and dreams aligned.
The world feels brighter when love leads the way.
Let's keep this feeling every day. Oh, let the good vibes flow.
Oh, oh,
Oh, let everybody know.
love and music
Side by side,
taking us.
on this beautiful ride. Hey there, my love, come dance with me.
Move to the rhythm and feel so free.
From the sunrise glow to the moon above.
Every day is better with your love.
Hey there, my love, sing along.
Turn every moment into a song.
With your heart next to mine, I know there's no place I'd rather go. Hey, hey,
Ooh, yeah.
good vibes, good hearts, good energy. Living in love and harmony.
Oh yeah, yeah. Island breeze, summer night. This one is for the one who changed my life. Oh, yeah. The first time I saw you standing there, moonlight dancing through your hair, a simple smile, a spark so true. In that moment my heart chose you. The music played and the world stood still, a feeling deeper than words can tell. Every day since you've been around, you've turned my sky from gray to gold. Whenever you're near me, everything feels right, like the stars align in the middle of the night. Your love lifts me higher than I've ever been, and I fall for you again and again. I'm holding on forever, never letting go, through every season, through every high and low. Your love is the rhythm that moves my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Holding on forever, close to my heart. No distance in this world could pull us apart, like the ocean waves returning to the shore. I'll keep loving you more and more. Sunrise paints the colors in the sky, and I still get lost in your eyes. Every little laugh, every little touch reminds me why I love you so much. The bass line rolls and the speakers sing, but your voice means everything. A melody sweeter than any song, a place where my heart belongs. Whenever you're near me, everything feels right, like the stars align in the middle of the night. Your love lifts me higher than I've ever been, and I fall for you again and again. I'm holding on forever, never letting go, through every season, through every high and low. Your love is the rhythm that moves my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Holding on forever, close to my heart. No distance in this world could pull us apart, like the ocean waves returning to the shore. I'll keep loving you more and more. From Kingston streets to the city lights, your love keeps my future bright. No matter where the road may lead, you're everything I'll ever need. The rhythm flows, the night moves slow, wrapped in a feeling we both know. A love that's strong, a love that's true. Every dream begins with you. Hold me close, don't say goodbye. Let's watch the stars fill up the sky. Every heartbeat tells the same story, you and me in all our glory. I'm holding on forever, never letting go, through every season, through every high and low. Your love is the rhythm that moves my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Holding on forever, close to my heart. No distance in this world could pull us apart, like the ocean waves returning to the shore. I'll keep loving you more and more, forever and a day. Together we'll find our way, with every sunrise and every glow. I'm holding on forever, never letting go. Yeah, turn the music up, feel the bass line roll, island vibes worldwide. Yeah. The lights come alive when you enter the scene, confidence shining, looking like a dream. Every head turns when you pass them by, like a shooting star across the sky. The rhythm is strong and the energy high, good vibrations flowing side to side. You move with grace, you move with style, and the whole place lights up for miles. Every step got a natural glow, like a melody everybody knows. When you smile all the worries fade, and the night begins to celebrate. Here comes the queen of the night, bringing love and positive light. Moving with the rhythm, feeling so free, like the perfect song and melody. Queen of the night, shining so bright, turning every moment into pure delight. Hands in the air, let the good vibes flow. This is the feeling everybody knows. Heavy bass line underneath the groove, Afrobeat drums got the whole crowd moving. From the islands to the city streets, everybody dancing to the same beat. No stress, no fear, leave it behind. Tonight is about enjoying the ride, laughing with friends, celebrating life underneath the moonlight sky.
Every step got a natural glow, like a melody everybody knows. When you smile, all the worries fade, and the night begins to celebrate. Here comes the queen of the night, bringing love and positive light. Moving with the rhythm, feeling so free, like the perfect song in melody. Queen of the night, shining so bright, turning every moment into pure delight. Hands in the air, let the good vibes flow. This is the feeling everybody knows. The music keeps rising, the feeling grows, like a river of love that overflows. One heart, one vibe, one unity, sharing joy with the whole community. The stars above and the lights below move together in a beautiful show. Every voice singing loud and clear, this is our moment right here. Oh, let there be a sign right. Oh, feel the love inside. Oh, let your spirit fly higher and higher tonight. Here comes the queen of the night, bringing love and positive light. Moving with the rhythm, feeling so free, like the perfect song and melody. Queen of the night, shining so bright, turning every moment into pure delight. Hands in the air, let the good vibes flow. This is the feeling everybody knows. Yeah, yeah. Good vibes forever, from the islands to the world. One love, one rhythm.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Close your eyes and come with me to a place where love feels free. Hey. The world keeps moving at a crazy pace, but I found peace in your embrace. A little corner where the worries fade, a perfect dream that we have made. The ocean whispers beneath the stars, while the moonlight paints our hearts. Every breath feels lighter than before when I'm standing at your shore. Let's leave the noise and the rush behind, find a little magic lost in time. Just you and me beneath the sky, watching our spirits rise. Take me to our secret paradise, where love shines bright in your eyes. Far away from every fear and doubt, a place we never wanna leave without. Secret paradise, hold me close tonight, wrapped in the warmth of your light. With every heartbeat and every kiss, I know true happiness. True happiness. The bassline rolls like a gentle sea, carrying your love right over me. Afrobeat drums and a soulful tune, dancing beneath the silver moon. Every laugh is a melody sweet, every touch makes my heart skip a beat. The night feels endless when you're near, like a dream becoming clear. Let's leave the noise and the rush behind, find a little magic lost in time. Just you and me beneath the sky, watching our spirits rise. Take me to our secret paradise, where love shines bright in your eyes. Far away from every fear and doubt, a place we never wanna leave without. Secret paradise, hold me close tonight, wrapped in the warmth of your light. With every heartbeat and every kiss, I know true happiness. No maps, no roads, no destination signs, just your hand reaching for mine. We'll build a world of our own design. One heart, one dream, one life. The stars above seem to understand every wish we've ever planned. The rhythm flows through the night, so free. Just you and me, let the music play. Take my breath away, beneath the sky so wide. Welcome to our paradise. Take me to our secret paradise, where love shines bright in your eyes. Far away from every fear blending, no disguises. I've been watching you from across the room, moving so smooth to the rhythm and groove. Something in your smile caught my attention. Now you're the center of my affection. The night feels warm and the stars align. Every little moment feels perfectly timed. No need for complicated words to say. My heart speaks louder every day. Every time you look my way, you take my worries all away. Like sunshine breaking through the rain, you bring me joy I can't explain. Straight from my heart, I'm telling you the truth. Every beat inside me keeps calling for you. No mixed signals, no mystery tonight. Just a love that's shining bright. Straight from my heart, that's where it starts. A feeling so strong it can't be torn apart. Hold my hand and let the rhythm flow. Together we'll let our love grow. Together we'll let our love grow. The bass line rolls like a gentle wave, carrying dreams that our hearts have made. From sunset skies to the morning light, I want you right here by my side. Your energy lifts me higher each day, like music that never fades away. Every laugh and every little glance makes me believe in true romance. Every time you look my way, you take my worries all away. Like sunshine breaking through the rain, you bring me joy I can't explain. Straight from my heart, I'm telling you the truth. Every beat inside me keeps calling for you. No mixed signals, no mystery tonight. Just a love that's shining bright. Straight from my heart, that's where it starts. A feeling so strong it can't be torn apart. Hold my hand and let the rhythm flow. Together we'll let our love grow. No games, no walls, no hiding away. Just honest love growing stronger each day. The rhythm is sweet, the future is clear. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than here. From the islands to the city lights, we'll keep this fire burning through the night. One heartbeat moving in perfect time. Your soul and mine. Let the music play, let the feeling rise. I see forever when I look in your eyes. No matter where life may lead us to, my heart keeps coming back to you. Straight from my heart, I'm telling you the truth. Every beat inside me keeps calling for you. No mixed signals, no mystery tonight. Just a love that's shining bright. Straight from my heart, that's where it starts. A feeling so strong it can't be torn apart. Hold my hand and let the rhythm flow. Together we'll let our love grow. Ooh girl, can you feel it too? This melody belongs to me and you. Under the stars, beneath the moonlit glow. Straight from my heart, I let it show. Yeah. Good energy, good vibrations, from the heart to the world. Rise and shine. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Morning light pouring through my window pane. Fresh inspiration washing over me again. Every lesson from the struggle made me strong. Now I'm singing a brand new song. The road got rough but I stayed on course. Found my strength in a higher source. Every step forward, every dream pursued, built on faith and gratitude. I won't let the pressure steal my joy today. I got too many reasons to celebrate. The future's calling and I'm on my way, with a heart that's full of praise. Sunrise rays shining on my face, every blessing falling into place. Hands up high, let the spirit elevate, living every moment with sunrise grace. Sunrise grace, feel the love embrace. Every challenge help me find my place. From the islands to the world we say, give thanks beautiful day. Hey. Heavy bassline rolling like the ocean tide. Afrobeat drums keep the fire alive. Good people around me, positive minds. That's the kind of wealth that lasts through time. I remember days when the road felt long. Now those memories make my spirit strong. Turned every setback into motivation. Built a life on determination. I won't let the pressure steal my joy today. I got too many reasons to celebrate. The future's calling and I'm on my way. With a heart that's full of praise. Sunrise grace shining on my face. Every blessing falling into place. Hands up high, let the spirit elevate. Living every moment with sunrise grace. Sunrise grace, feel the love embrace. Every challenge help me find my place. From the islands to the world we say, give thanks for another beautiful day. One life, one chance, make it count. Turn your dreams into something profound. Keep your vision clear when the skies turn gray. The sun still finds a way. Every heartbeat moving with purpose and pride. Every new horizon waiting outside. No fear, no doubt, just faith in the plan. Keep rising while you can. Oh, let your light shine bright through the darkest night. Keep your spirit free. The best version of you is meant to be. Sunrise grace shining on my face. Heavy blessing falling into place. Hands up high, let the spirit elevate. Living every moment with sunrise grace. Sunrise grace, feel the love embrace. Every challenge help me find my place. From the islands to the world we say, give thanks for another beautiful day. Another sunrise, another chance. Good energy, good vibration. Sunrise grace. Yeah, yeah. Island vibes in the air tonight.
Good energy.
Good love.
Ooh, I can feel the rhythm calling. Let's ride the wave together.
From the moment you walk through the crowd, everything around me got brighter somehow. Your confidence shines like the morning sun. A natural beauty, you're the only one. The bassline rolling in the night's alive. Your smile got the whole place energized. Every little move got me hypnotized. Lost in the magic that's in your eyes.
I see you watching from across the room, moving to the rhythm underneath the moon. The way you carry yourself feels so true. Maybe tonight I'll take a chance on you.
The music flows like the ocean tide, pulling our hearts closer side by side.
No need to rush, let's enjoy the ride. And let the good vibes be our guide.
You're sweet like sunshine after the rain, bringing warmth that I can't explain.
Every moment feels brand new
when I'm wrapped up in the love of you.
Sweet like sunshine, glowing so bright.
Dancing together through the night.
Feel the rhythm, let it carry us away.
We're making memories today. Island breeze and a soulful groove. Every heartbeat got me wanting to move. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain, a melody I want to hear again.
You make me smile without even trying. Got me floating high like the birds are flying. There's a spark between us I can't deny, like stars appearing in the midnight sky.
The music flows like the ocean tide, pulling our hearts closer side by side.
No need to rush, let's enjoy the ride.
And let the good vibes be our guide.
You're sweet like sunshine after the rain,
bringing warmth that I can't explain.
Every moment feels brand new
when I'm wrapped up in the love of you.
Sweet like sunshine, glowing so bright.
Dancing together through the night.
Feel the rhythm, let it carry us away.
We're making memories today. From the islands to the city lights, your energy keeps my spirit high. Every step we take feels right, like we're writing our own story tonight.
No worries, no fear, just love and